Let's delve into the world of astigmatism, an aberration that can make images appear stretched and blurry in certain direction. It's a common issue in both optical systems and human vision. So you may ask, what is astigmatism? Astigmatism occurs when a lens or mirror has different curvatures in different planes. So the image on the slide illustrates this. We see a lens with light rays entering from the left. These rays are focused differently depending on whether they lie in the tangential plane or sagittal plane. In the tangential plane, rays in this plane focus at the point T, while in the sagittal plane, rays at this of this plane focus at the point S. So notice that the line doesn't focus to a single point, but rather to two different separate lines. This is why astigmatism is something called a line focus aberration. This line focus leads to blurry and distorted images, especially of points or lines that are not aligned with either the tangential or sagittal plane. You may see objects stretched in one direction and sharp in other. Let's see right now astigmatism in action. So once again, we have our perfectly aligned optical system comprised of a laser converging lens, and we see that optical system is aligned according to the optical axis. We see that optical system and laser produces the single point focus, this airy spot. Right now, let's see what happens if we actually turn a bit our lens with respect optical axis. What we see that you see this kind of spot, the light no longer focuses to a single bright spot as here. It becomes distorted. Right now, it would be interesting to observe if we shift according to Z direction our screen and see if we can find another focal point. Indeed, this is what happens. You see, if we shift our focus plane a bit further, we can observe another focal plane, mainly tangential. Here is sagittal, and this one is tangential.